Alright guys, you may know what I'm actually doing right now, because I'm actually going to be repairing one of my speakers. Now I still have to get the rest of this gunk off here around the edge of it, around the edge of the speaker. Now this is a Panasonic speaker. This came out of one of my stereo speakers, and this is actually the subwoofer that went with it. And so what I have here is I actually have a new dust cap. I'm going to chuck it on over top. It actually came from one of my other speakers that was actually like going to fall off anyway. But yeah, so and I got a new surround for it as well. 6.5-inch driver. And don't worry about the warts in the voice coil. That's not going to do anything to it. As long as it moves, it'll be fine. And yeah, it does move fine as well. Moves perfectly good. So yeah, nice good spider in there too. So yep, this is gonna go on. It's just gonna go on like that, but not like this. Not inverted, but it's gonna go on like this. Then it'll look just like that. And it'll be done. I've ordered some really good strong glue as well. Good high strength glue. And yeah, hopefully it'll turn out good. Hopefully it will.